A lot of ideas are sparkling in your mind how to get started with these candlestick charts and trade like other professional traders. But in this video, we are going to show you how to connect your Deriv account to the MT5 platform. So don't miss out. After creating a Deriv account can be a bit hectic and actually confusing where to get started. But if you already have an account, whether a demo or a real account, what you do once you land on this page, you just click here on this arrow which is facing down. Then from there you can click on these red words looking for a safety account. So go to Traders Hub. You may get something different, but once you get that red word, that's where you go to. The main point we are looking at is looking for a word which is called trade. From there we shall get the logins. We can transfer to the Deriv MT5 platform so that we can connect our Deriv account and MT5 app or platform so that we can start trading. All right, first click on this red word. All right, so let me click there. So reaching here, you click on trade here. Right, so once you reach this side, you can choose any account of your choice, but if you already have one, we are interested in these details right here. Right, so before copying all these details, you need a password. You can see you already have the broker name, which is Deriv Limited, the server Deriv demo, login detail. This is the details that is so much important. Let me show you. This is so much important, this one, login ID. So from there, what you do, you click on this one. You click on this one so that you can create your own password. For example, once you reach here, you can change it. Me, I already have a password, but for me, you will be creating it. All right, so that's it. After there, then you can go to the Deriv.com or MT5 platform, which is this one. May I downloaded it. I hope you also have it. And what you do, as I said earlier, these are my open trades. Don't worry about them. You go. Yes, just remember the same steps used on a demo account are the same steps you are supposed to use on a real account to access your MT5 platform. All right, so let me show you how to access, where to put your login details. You go here, you click there, you go to manage accounts, as I said earlier. All right, so after that, that's when you can go to this one. Let me show you. This one. From there, you can choose your broker, Deriv.com. You are the Deriv Limited, this one. You type it here, as I said. Then you can enter the other details you copied in here. Right. So this is the login. This is the login. This is the password. Server name. This is Deriv demo. Then the password, you input it here. May I saved it already. All right. So after that one, that's when you can click on login. All right. Oh yes, also you can check out this video how to create a Deriv.com account. Right, how to create a Deriv.com demo and real account will help you to find more info or information on how to get started. So this is the video I'm talking about on my channel, Power of Mindset Tools. So once you click there, you can subscribe to my channel, like my videos, turn on the notification bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Good luck.